These are gonna be the elevators at the Reed House Historic Hotel in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Let's get a cab view. Otisito. Unfortunately, Monitor got their paws on this. Ooh, 3-speed door, look at that. This is still on its original controller. Ooh, I love the bell. Wow. Here on 10. Ooh, I love the classic leveling. Yeah. Original equipment. Yeah, this is on its original controller. They just slapped this Monitor garbage on. B. Ooh, wow. That bell sounds awesome. Let's get a cab view. Very nice elevators, despite the mod on them. There's your indicator, and there are your fixtures. I have no clue what the exact type of fixtures these are, but these are some type of Monitor fixture. From the basement, so what, see any classic leveling? Yeah. There's your call button. Wow. That is a beautiful bell. All right, we're gonna go up to 10. I love those 3-speed doors. And we're stopping on the lobby. Going down? I mean, going up?
Yep.
What floor?
He hasn't been discharged yet. I mean, he's not even, he's a couple days away from that. Maybe more than a couple.
What?
Yeah, no, we haven't made any decisions yet. What floor are we looking for?
5th.
Yeah. Yeah.
Was that scary?
Yeah.
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 Feels kind of bouncy. Any classic leveling? Yeah. I don't want to look around. Here's a view of downtown Chattanooga. Not much to really see up here. That's the City Park garage. Let's look around. Pretty beautiful looking hotel. It's your rooms. It's the hallway. I believe that's the service elevator in there. Maybe there, I don't know. Very nice hallways though. All right, we're gonna call it down. And it was waiting up here for us. Lobby. Love those bells. You can hear the relays clicking. And here we are. Wow. 3-speed door. Oh, look at that indicator. And there it goes. That's gonna be it.